Hey guys, I'm going to show you a couple ways on how to bring up your PC specs in Windows 10. Now, the easiest way to do this is to head over to this PC, right click on it, head over to properties and click on that. And there you have it. That will bring up your PC specs, your device name, processor, installed RAM, and other useful information. Now, a different way to do this is to head over to the start menu, click on that, head over to settings, locate system and click on that. Then you're going to head over to the about section and click on that. And that will bring you back to your PC specs. Now, if you are looking for a more detailed view of your PC specs, we are going to go to the search menu right here. Type in system information and click on that. And this will bring you up more information about your PC, your operating system name, your processor, your total physical memory, available physical memory, and also components such as your graphics card. You can find information about that here also. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.